Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com, and I'll be the first one to admit that we focus too much on the PMP exam and we were not able to create a video on how the PMI-PBA certification, the PMI-PBA exam has also changed, it has also updated. So just like the new PMBOK Guide Edition 6 has been introduced, a new book has been introduced for PMI-PBA as well, although it's much more complex than just a new book being introduced when it comes to PBA. So we'll take a look at that. PBA, by the way, if you're not aware, stands for Professional in Business Analysis, and this is the number one certification that business analysts should look after when it comes to certifications from PMI. So let's go over to my favorite website, which is pmi.org, and it talks a little bit about the introduction of this certification and this field itself, business analysis, right? So it has become a competency of critical importance to project management. Becoming certified as a business analysis expert can move your career in a fresh direction while opportunities for BAs are on the rise. So, of course, business analysts are in demand, in big demand. They make sure that the requirements are met by the project team, by the project uh, through the project that is being delivered. Now, what I wanted to cover was the PMI PBA updates. The updated PMI PBA exam is launched on 25th of June 2018. So what does this mean? I've opened it here. So basically what has happened is the certification exam was recently updated to harmonize with terminology in PMI Guide to Business Analysis. So this is something new. PMI Guide to Business Analysis. This is the new book which has come out. It was released in December 2017, and recently, as of 25th June, is when the exam also, the word used here is harmonize with the terminologies, right? So the exam has been harmonized with the terminology that you would find in this book, which was launched in December 2017. So, when it comes to PMI PBA, like I mentioned, it is not as simple as referring to just one book and being able to, prepare yourself for the PBA certification. So what happens here is if you go over to this is the book, by the way, this is the one that we just talked about. PMI Guide to Business Analysis. This came out in December 2017. So, a little bit about the book here. I'll share a link in the description below if you're preparing for a PMI PBA. The Amazon India link will be available in the description, so you can check that out and buy this book for yourself. But the thing is, the exam, right? The PMI PBA exam. This is another page, right? If you look into this page, it talks about how you can prepare for the PMI PBA exam. You need to review the handbook. You need to review the exam content outline. It will tell you which modules or which parts or which chapters, right? Not chapters really, but which parts will be what would be their weightage when it comes to the exam, right? But then it talks about review the current PMI PBA reference list, which is what I will be kind of covering in this video. Enroll in formal study courses offered by PMI chapters or REPs. You can also review self-study books published by REPs and other reputable training organizations. So you need to do this much to be able to prepare for the PBA exam. And if you go to this link, the reference list, this is where it gets interesting because is not the case with PMP, but PMI themselves have listed these many books to be able to prepare for your PMI PBA exam. So the guide to business analysis, right, the book that was recently launched is just one of it. But then they ask you to expect you to prepare for PMBOK guide as well, business analysis for practitioners, practice guide. They want you to go through other books. PMI Guide to Business Analysis includes the standard for business analysis. So this is a bundle of sort. Business analysis. So there's a book by Stephen Blaze. There's a book by James Cadell, Paul Turner, Deborah Paul. It talks about business analysis techniques, 72 essential tools for success, 7 steps to mastering business analysis, software requirements, memory jogger. You've got software requirements too on the right hand side, data modeling essentials, mastering the requirements process, Business Analyst Handbook, Customer Centered Products, Unearthing Business Requirements. So these many resources, PMI, the website of PMI themselves have listed, right? So it should be noted here that merely going over the book that has been recently updated. This is the one, the PMI Guide to Business Analysis. And that is the reason why the terminology used here is the exam has recently updated to harmonize with terminology. So they are basically making sure that the global terminology for business analysts, right, and the global terminology, the global language in the field of business analysis becomes the same, just like they have made it possible in project management as well. But then the exam is certainly not just based on this single book, the Guide to Business Analysis, because there are many other resources that have been listed here by the official PMI website itself. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you know that the exam has updated. If you're kind of going over preparing for the PMI PBA exam, wish you all the best, wish you all the success. Hope you're able to clear the exam. It is an important certification. It is something that you, as a business analyst or as someone who's looking to develop their career in business analysis, should look up to and should try to achieve. So that's all that I had in this video. Do hit the bell icon if you're not already subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Check us out on our social media. Our handle across YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter is PMC Lounge. And do check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.